There's a Haitian language they almost erased, and most people don't even know it existed. Like, follow and share. We protect Haitian culture here. Before Creole became the soul of Haiti, there were older Haitian languages. Languages spoken by Africans who arrived during the colonial era. But one language stood out. The Congo-based Creolized speech once used secretly among enslaved Africans to communicate, resist, and preserve identity. This language helped organize rebellions, maintain spiritual traditions, and connect people across plantations. But as French domination grew, it slowly faded from daily use. Most Haitians today don't know their ancestors spoke more than one Creole form, ones carrying African grammar, rhythm, and power. Yes or no? Did you know Haitians once spoke multiple ancestral languages? Here's the deeper question. Should Haiti revive its forgotten African-based tongues as part of cultural education? Like follow and share, we reclaim what they tried to erase. These languages weren't lost. They were buried. We're uncovering them again. Ancient parchment pages with faded African-inspired symbols and Creole script glowing softly. Haitian flag colors blended subtly in the background. Dramatic warm lighting, ethnographic texture, a ghostly silhouette of an ancestor speaking, artistic, mysterious, historical, cinematic realism, scroll stopping,